Today we'll talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your PowerPoint app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go here above your photo profile, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then you click here on settings, you just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Click here on push notifications, you just click on it here. Then you click here on notification categories. So then you come here to masculines here. You just click in this sign or this color, like you see color is gone. That's mean it's disabled with us now. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe. Just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. Thank you for your watching.